Item Number SCP-223. Index Iron Claw Hammer. Object Class Euclid. Special Containment Procedures. Object must be contained within an entirely non-metallic facility no less than 3 kilometers from any civilian accessible area. Personnel are required to surrender all metallic objects or electronic devices of any sort before entry is allowed, and must undergo no less than 4 consecutive checks for any metallic material on their person before being admitted entry to facility. Personnel with implants, pacemakers, etc., or eyeglasses are not to be admitted. Object is to be contained in a room separated from the rest of the facility. No air traffic is allowed within a radius of 3 kilometers. Illumination is to be provided either via combustion or chemical reaction. Electrically powered lighting does not function within a 1.07 kilometer radius of the object. Image SCP-223. Description: Unremarkable iron claw hammer, apparently well used. Head and handle are fashioned from the same piece of iron. Standard and unremarkable 1992 penny is attached to the side of the head. Object placed in the care of Site-72 on March 14, 2005. Origins unknown. Object exhibits extraordinarily strong magnetic field, affecting even non-magnetic metals. Non-metallic objects and living tissue appear to be unaffected. Effect increases at an exponential rate as proximity to object increases. All attempts to separate penny from object SCP-223 have been unsuccessful. Approximately 151,240 newtons, 34,000 pounds, of force were applied. Penny was moved from its original position by 1.47 millimeters. Maximum effective range of object is unknown, but has been observed as far as 1.16 kilometers away.